I have to say, when it comes to creating visual interest, the combination of daffodils with muscari is really hard to beat. The warm yellow tone of the daffodils provides excellent contrast to that cool, deep purple muscari. Their shape and textures further emphasize the difference with the smooth trumpet shape of the daffodil and the bubbly grape-like structure of the muscari bloom. Now, since both are considered fall bulbs, they bloom around the same time, creating a distinct look for your spring container.